Good morning from the trading desk in Singapore. We've been looking at crypto and Bitcoin and Ethereum over the last few days, enjoying the rally that we've been seeing. Overnight, Bitcoin actually broke 40K for some time, tested that price area before dropping back down. We're correcting now, trading just above 37K. Ethereum itself is at 2,225 as we speak. Also enjoying a really nice rally over the last 7 days. It topped out at 2,400 overnight, which means that over the last 7 days, at its peak, prices had rallied 40%, which is quite remarkable. Nice to see the volatility coming back into the market. Now at 2,225, we're still 30% above last week's low at 1,800. So some real momentum building there. If we look at the chart, one thing that is very interesting that we pointed out last week was this support line that we saw on the log chart. So let's look at that quickly. And what we can see is that since the start of the bull run back in March, Ethereum's actually been trading in this really nice trading corridor for the entire time. So if prices continue to follow this path, you can expect to continue to see parabolic price action over the coming months, because by definition, if the price is going up constantly on the log chart, prices have to go parabolic on the normal USD chart. So keep an eye out for that. This price area at 1,800, or the low that we saw last week, perfectly tested the bottom of this corridor. And as well, if we combine that with the Fibonacci retracement on the current price action, you can see this test at the, it's the 0.618 level again, beautifully tested it and is now making its way back up. What else do we have? So yeah, over the last 7 days, we flipped the resistance level at 21 to 2150. I'd like to see us correct somewhat and test it as support before making a continued move up. The downward trending channel, speaking of channels, that we were in has been broken to the upside. So you could argue that this structure has been invalidated. If we drop back down, it's back in play, unfortunately. In the meantime, we've got the shorter term upward trending channel, which we're still in. The top of this channel is where I'm kind of keeping an initial price target at the moment. Also falls nicely in line with the 2,600 resistance area. So in the short term, these are the kind of main resistance areas that we're looking at. 2,600, even closer, which we tested yesterday, is 2,350 to 2,450. And then further to the upside, we've got eyes on the 2,850 to 2,900. So they're kind of the main levels that we're looking at for now. In terms of ETH BTC, because we always need to look at how Ethereum is trading in relation to Bitcoin, we've got this downward trending channel which we're starting to break through, meaning over the last 3 days, Bitcoin has outperformed Ethereum. If this trend continues, I expect us to test the level at 0.055 again before a continued rise up to the upside. That's it from us for now. Have a good trading day.